Next, what we want to do is put the quill stem into the bike. Make sure first that your cables are not twisted around each other. Everything looks smooth. This cable here runs here smoothly. So just slide it into the frame there. You'll see some markings here which show the minimum insertion. So make sure you go past that. I recommend just sliding it all the way down into it. And there's a 6mm bolt in there. So take your 6mm, kind of get this straightened with a fork. And then we're going to turn this bolt clockwise. Go ahead and tighten this down as hard as you can. You can't over torque it.